Well, I had a little bit of a setback today. My car wouldn't start. Good thing I was home. I did the pump and pray method and it finally started. I took it to O'Reilly's to get a battery health check done. And they're like, oh, yeah, your battery is definitely bad, but we can't replace it. Because it's a stupid Jeep. And the way the battery is set up, I had to take it to the dealership. Of course, the service office is closed because by the time I got there, it was like 7:30. So, at least the manager was still there, and he let me leave my car there and gave me an envelope to fill out and put in the drop box. So, hopefully tomorrow they'll be able to replace my battery and it won't cost me $1,000. Who knows? I know I don't have that kind of money in the bank, so I sure as hell hope not. Oh, wow. And then I took an Uber home. And I live out in BFA. So BFE from the dealership, $30. Yeah. Tomorrow, maybe I can talk one of my friends into picking me up, who I drive around sometimes when she can't do things on her own. Fingers crossed.